Yeah, morning, Trace. A fairly quiet and uneventful session in terms of news flow. We did get a UK bank holiday, and that may have sucked some of the life out of the UK-European trading session. We also saw the Dallas Fed manufacturing numbers. They came in at negative 17, an improvement, still deeply negative. I'm not sure the market looked at that one at all. We also saw, the Treasury issue a ton of bills, as well as 45 billion in two-year paper and 46 billion in five-year paper. They went off pretty well, and that comes out ahead of the trading session ahead, where we're going to see the Treasury Department issue, seven-year paper as well. So that's going to be one for the auction heads out there. We also, in the session ahead, do get US house price data. We get the job openings report, the JOLTS report, where the market's expecting 9.5 million job openings, and also the US consumer confidence number expected to drop back to 116. So that the market can pick and choose whether it wants to run with this one. It may not be a volatility event. Yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. But it is something that you probably do need to keep on your radar there as well. Now, the lead-in we have from Wall Street offers us some upside here. Yeah, we are expecting the ASX to open up 0.3%, the Hang Seng up 1%, and also the Nikkei up about 0.5%. So it's going to be some green on screen on the open. But, what we've been seeing is the S&P's closed up 0.6%. We've seen the Nasdaq up 0.7%. The KRE in the banking space on the regional side at 1.4%. Euro stocks having a good gain, up 1.4%. The 200-day moving average there really been that nice springboard higher. But volumes have been very, very poor, as you'd imagine there. We've seen S&P volumes through the cash market 26% below the 30-day average, and 1.22 million S&P futures trading hands compares to about 1.6, which we'd probably see on a 15-day average. We can see that 83% stocks on the S&P have closed high, led by services, by technology and industrials. So you can see the sectors here, it's been fairly broad-based, and that should feed through to the Asian Open as well. Now, fixed income, with that auction in mind, we have seen yields down about 3 or 4 basis points across the curve. Real rates are down about 1 basis point into 2.19 on the 5-year there. FX-wise, we've seen euro dollar moving a little bit higher. We're currently just trading off the session highs of 108.22. Aussie and Stocky have been your outperformers on the trading session. We've seen the Aussie trade to 64.40, just a little bit lower there. But we do have our eyes firmly there for Aussie dollar traders on what's happening in Hang Seng futures. They do open at 11:15. There obviously big volatility playing through the Chinese markets yesterday, where we saw the CSI opening about 5.5% higher and then sort of closing 1.2% on the day there. So but obviously watching those Chinese markets very, very closely indeed if you are looking for direction for that market in the Aussie dollar as we trade through the trading session ahead. But certainly looking firmer as the trading session's getting away.